We're going to do some mixed calculations now, and the first one we're going to do is what mass of magnesium reacts with 100 centimetres cubed of 2 mole per decimetre cubed HCl. For all of these, you can always work out the moles of something. So, what can I work out the moles of? I have got a solution here, and I have got a volume, and I have got a concentration, and therefore I can work out moles. So the first thing I'm going to do is work out my moles of HCl. What is it? HCl is a solution, so it's concentration times volume over 1,000, which is 2.0 times 100 over 1,000, which gives me 0.2 moles. Then you look at the equation. So I need to find out how many moles of magnesium. For moles of magnesium, for every 2 HCl, I need 1 magnesium. So if I've got 0.2 moles of HCl, I divide it by 2 to give me 0.1 moles. And then finally, I convert moles to mass of magnesium, which is moles times molar mass, which gives me 0.1 times the molar mass of magnesium, 24.3, which gives me which gives me 2.43 grams of magnesium. The question we need to go for is, what mass of calcium carbonate reacts with 4 decimeters cubed of 1.5 moles per decimeter cubed HCl aqueous? Key thing, they have told me 4 decimeters cubed, so I do not need to use this factor of 1,000. Always work out the moles of the thing you can do. So I'm going to work out the moles of HCl, which is a solution. So it's concentration times volume, which is 4 times 1.5. That comes to 6 moles. Now I look at the equation. 1 calcium carbonate reacts with 2 HCl. Therefore, moles of calcium carbonate is going to equal the moles of hydrochloric acid divided by 2, which is 3 moles. And then finally you convert moles to mass. Mass of calcium carbonate is moles times molar mass. The molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100. So it's 3 times 100, which gives me 300 grams. I'll start with this one. They've given me a mass of zinc. So you always find the moles of something. So moles of zinc equals mass over molar mass, which is 1 divided by the molar mass of zinc. Can someone check their periodic table for me for the molar mass of zinc? Brill, 65.4. So 1 divided by 65.4 gives me 0.0153. Notice I keep to 3 significant figures. I'm not going to round up dramatically. So, what do I need to find? I need to find now relate that to the moles of sulfuric acid. So moles of H2SO4 is going to be the same. Is going to also equal 0.153. because 1 zinc reacts with 1 H2SO4. Okay, now what's the final thing they want me to do? They want me to find a volume. It's of, what is this? 0.1 mole per decimeter cubed. Which equation am I going to use? What is that? 0.1 moles per decimeter. What? It's a concentration, so I'm going to use this one. So to find my volume of H2SO4 is going to equal moles divided by concentration times 1,000. So if I do that, moles is 0.0153, concentration is 0.1 times 1,000. So it's 0.0153 divided by 0.1 times 1,000, and that equals 153 centimetres cubed, like so. They've told me 22.5 centimetres cubed of sodium hydroxide reacts with 25 centimetres cubed of 0.1 moles per decimeter cubed HCl. I need to do the concentration. So, which equation am I going to work with? What is this? This is a... Is this a solid, a gas, or a solution? Solution, brilliant. So I'm going to work with this one to find moles. You can always find the moles of something. So I'm going to find the moles of HCl, which is concentration times volume over 1,000. Concentration is 0.100. The volume is 25 over 1,000. So let's do that. 0.1 times 25 divided by 1,000 equals 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3. Now the equation is NaOH aqueous plus HCl aqueous makes NaCl aqueous plus H2O liquid. So based on that, looking at the equation, how many moles of NaOH must have been present? 1 NaOH reacts with 1 HCl. So how many moles must I have? Fabby dabby. Must be the same. It's a 1-to-1. And they now want me to work out the concentration. So concentration of NaOH is going to equal moles divided by volume times 1,000. Moles I've just worked out. Volume they told me is 22.5 times it by 1,000. And that gives me 0.111 moles per decimeter cubed.